Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss in this video about global warming. Okay, let's see what is global warming. Global warming is a big threat to the environmental today. In general planet, Earth is continuously being heated by different sources such as various gases in the atmosphere, ultraviolet rays of the sun, etc. This process of warming up the Earth's atmosphere due to various reasons is known as global warming. If it happens naturally, and to a certain extent it is not harmful for our planet, but the extent to which global warming is happening nowadays due to man-made reasons, it has become a serious issue to be concerned about. It is one of the biggest threats to the environment. Okay, let's see the effects of human activities. The increase in the rate of global warming is mainly caused by human activities. The following points show how human activities cause global warming and the effects of environment. Number one is industries and air pollution. The emission of harmful gases like carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur and methane, etc. due to the burning fossils fuels in industries contribute a lot of global warming. Apart from industrial pollution, air pollution is also caused by the same gases emitted from vehicles like cars, buses, ships and aircrafts. Number two is deforestation. Means the green trees absorb a large amount of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. During photosynthesis, due to mass cleaning of forests, our planet is losing the natural absorption of carbon dioxide. Thus, the amount of this gas is increasing in the atmosphere, causing global warming. Number three is agriculture. Methane is produced when bacteria break down the organic substances present in the agricultural fields. Moreover, manure and fertilizers also contribute to the methane gas level. Number 4 is mining. Mining involves digging of the earth's surface, which allows the methane present deep inside the earth to escape into the environmental. Next is the impacts of global warming. The reason why global warming is seen as a threat is that it has both immediate and far-reaching effects of the environment and thus on human beings. Number one is melting of ice. A rise in temperature is being caused by global warming, which is leading to the melting of polar ice caps. This is leading to a rise in the sea level. If the sea level keeps on rising, then the day is not far when the coastal area will be underwater. And number two is climate change. There are risks of an urban climate change leading to the destruction of many species. The change in the ocean circulation pattern caused by global warming may bring a sudden change in climate conditions as well. And number three is forest fires. Due to global warming, the dry leaves of trees are getting burning and sudden forest fires may cause the human activities. Due to the human activities only. And now we will discuss about ozone layer. Okay, what is ozone layer? A ozone layer, it is also known as O3 formula, is a highly reactive gas containing 3 atoms of oxygen. High up stratosphere, there is a layer of ozone gas which prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun from entering Earth's atmosphere and reaching the surface. Nowadays, pollutants containing chemicals like bromine and chlorine in the atmosphere are destroying the ozone layer by creating large holes in it. Okay, how to stop the global warming? Let's see. Step 1, we have to stop polluting like industries pollution and vehicles pollution like cars, buses, trains. And number 2 is we have to use only natural resources like solar energy, wind energy, electric energy and hydroelectric energy. Wind energy means we can use the wind energy by creating a big fans. Okay, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and share, subscribe for my video. Thank you.